Get a measurement from your end, Paul. Where we need to put the in.
Give me that drill.
Hand it to you or throw it to you?
Thanks, man.
Yes, sir. Hey, you can take that that connector.
Hmm?
You can take that connector down. You can keep the bit too. That's Dave's actually. But we can keep it because we might need some 3/8 holes drilled over in what's it?
We're gonna put metal lights on face of that beam, man.
Down there? No, strut.
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 We're gonna put strut.
Whichever. Probably 7/8 if you can make it work. Just keep clear of those barrels.
If it wasn't on strut, you'd be having more.
We ain't got no more metal light strap.
Yeah, no, use a strut down there at least. We'll strap the 1 inch and the 1.5 to it.
Yeah. Yeah, like he says.
Well, why not? He's already got strut cut up here for you.
Got 2 8-inch pieces.
1.5 inch, 5/8 strut. That should be alright, though.
Okay, span it then with the 7/8. We got it.
Well, the 1 5/8 should be alright, sure. Or no? That 1 5/8 work. We're down below the damn belt and all that shit.
Well, they're saying it's not wide enough down there, so they got to cut it anyway.
Okay.
How long you need it? Two, if not 3.
2 won't be alright. Not damn rigid. Huh? I'll have to cut this flex.
2 of them 16.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
whatever you wanted to. What's that?
Yeah.
Junior gonna be okay? Okay.
I think we need to come outside of this thing here, buddy.
Yeah, either way you can. Either way you need it.
I think it'd be better outside.
Yeah, that's why I didn't. I'm just trying to keep away from this any way I can. So yeah, outside would be good, and we could even
Outside would be better.
we could even beam clamp and mini if we wanted to secure this the flex.
Yes. We ain't used none.
Yeah, we haven't used any.
There you go. Set this down, bud. We don't need
Let me-
this up here anymore, do we?
Let's pull the elephant stick back up. Put this down.
Here. Do this.
There we go. Heck yeah, it clears that. Clears that good. Nice sweep, and might even help with the wire, pushing the wire down.
Yeah.
This bends, always a good thing.
Well, we're gonna have to cut.
Bring that stick and
What?
finger up here.
We're gonna
Yeah,
have.
we're gonna need it up there.
We're gonna need to cut this flex off.
Yep. I just grabbed the junior put it up.
You got an extension. You don't have the measurement for your flex yet?
No? Didn't plan that far ahead yet.
We ain't got the pipe yet.
If there's not one in the drill, we'll have to do the tool bags, or I'll go get one.
What do you need? Topcon bit?
Yeah.
I got one. Got one right here.
You got one?
Got it on you?
Yeah, it's right here.
Great. Okay.
Here, could you hand that to somebody?
Here you go.
If you need a driver for a nut drive, I got one of those too.
You got anything else?
Hey, we got an SDS drill up here. Right there where Chris is at, is that SDS? It's got an SDS Stepco bit in it.
I got a Tapcon that bit my hand.
What else we need?
I got a Tapcon bit my hand.
And I'm going to get Junior strut.
Right.
Bring my ass down,
You got the
bro.
bit?
I'm quite comfy up here with this.
Coming down, buddy?
I'm gonna stay up here. Unless someone wants me to come down. You want me to come down, Dave? Okay, that's good.
Already two guys down there.
Yeah, oh, got a bend and offset? Oh, gotta get that on video. I gotta get that on video. I know y'all probably think I'm crazy on video and shit. It's all part of my future plans. Online plans. Sweet. Alright. Part 1.